So let's begin by grounding ourselves in the heart of this location. The 1290 East Everglade Avenue isn't just a pin on the map. It's a gateway to the best of Fresno and Clovis, California. This home is nestled within a prestigious community, a sense of serenity while keeping you minutes from all of the action and amenities. You're just a stone's throw away from the upscale shopping, dining, River Park, the row at Shepherd and Willow. Just imagine your weekend spent at the lush, sprawling Woodward Park, enjoying live concerts, or simply walking the scenic trails with your family. This home also grants access to the nationally recognized Clovis Unified School District, a top-tier educational system that is a primary driver for families moving to this area. For faith and community, you have a variety of nearby churches, including North Point Community Church, Cross City Christian Church, and People's Church, all offering strong community ties. But what truly sets this property apart is the vision and craftsmanship of its builder, Benart Homes. This is a custom luxury home designed for modern living. Step inside, discover a newly modernized culinary kitchen, quartz countertops, steel appliances. Imagine creating a gourmet meals for your family and friends in a space that is beautiful and it is functional. Beyond the kitchen, you'll find a magnificent floor-to-custom library and office, and the perfect sanctuary for work, quiet, contemplation. The home features a newly installed dual AC units and a generous 36-panel owned solar, ensuring minimal or no true-up cost for the commitment of sustainability. But the most innovative feature is the exceptionally rare multi-generational wing with its own bedroom. Their space offers privacy and independence for the aging. There's a bathroom here, and here's the dedicated bedroom, all set apart from the other 3 bedrooms on the other side of the wing. Amazing. Well, this home's value compounds by the unprecedented growth and development of Fresno and Clovis. We're on the map for a reason. The $150 million Fresno Yosemite International Airport expansion is bringing a new terminal wing and an incredible increase to nonstop flights to major hubs like Chicago, Atlanta, Las Vegas, and the future luxury is also being defined here. Former Major League pitcher C.J. Wilson establishing a new luxury car dealerships for brands like Porsche, Audi, and BMW in downtown Clovis. And golf icon Bryson DeChambeau is partnering with Cook Land to develop a mega 200-acre golf community. Enjoy fine dining at Ruth Chris, Fleming's, or Yosemite Ranch. The Bay Area and Los Angeles aren't just a short drive away. They're our newest residents. They are drawn by the value, the space, and the quality of life we offer. A home like 1290 East Everglade is a trophy asset, a chance to get in on the ground floor of a booming market. But this opportunity won't last. If you're serious about securing your future in this premier community, reach out to me immediately. The time to act is now. While this area is booming with urban development, the true soul of the Central Valley lies in its access to nature and culture. You are only a short drive from the serene beauty of Bass Lake, Shaver Lake, and Milton Lake. The majestic granite cliffs of Yosemite National Park are just a couple hours away. We are in a central hub with easy access to the stunning Central Coast and even family destinations like Disneyland in the Bay Area. Culturally, we are a thriving community. Enjoy a night of live theater at Roger Rocca's, dinner thereafter, theater, a spectacular performance from the Fresno Philharmonic, or a Broadway show at the historic Soroyan Theater. And for sports fans, nothing beats night out at Chachansee Park to cheer on the Fresno Grizzlies. Now, Fresno's reputation is also built on academic and medical excellence. Fresno State University, go Dogs, which is now part of the Pac-12 Conference, boasts nationally recognized programs in agricultural sciences, the Craig School of Business, the Doctorate of Physical Therapy, and the Masters in Athletic Training Sports Medicine. For healthcare, we are home to premier hospitals and medical centers like Community Regional Medical Center, Kaiser, St. Agnes, and Sierra Pacific Orthopedic Center, with top medical schools like UCSF, Fresno, and California Health Sciences University, including San Joaquin Valley Rehab. Central Valley is a powerhouse responsible for feeding over 25% of the world's produce. Our reputation for world-class agriculture is unmatched. While Sonoma Valley has its fame, our local wineries offer hidden gems that showcase the richness of our soil. Major Fortune 500 companies, renowned brands like Tesla, Target, Nordstrom Rack, Home Depot, Lowe's, In-N-Out Burger, and the new second largest Costco ever to be established is a major presence here, proving that the economic vitality of our region. Well, this home is more than an address. It's a testament to a life well lived. The decisions you make now will define your future and your family's legacy for generations. With its premier location, thoughtful decision, an array of city-defining amenities, this property is a rare opportunity to invest a life of luxury, convenience, and purpose. Don't let this legacy home pass you by. Contact me today to schedule your private showing. I'm Rufi Alday. I'm here to help you secure your future at 1290 East Everglade Avenue. Here's my contact information. Looking forward to connecting with you.